Hi. So, in our first UV method experiments, what we'll be doing is we'll be first keeping our object needle at 2f. Okay, that will be at 0, and the lens would be at 2f. So this distance would be a 2f, which we'll call it as u. So this distance is u. All right. Now, if you see over here, the object is kept over here at 2f, and there are two rays that we take. So one ray is passing through the convex lens and it is going through the focus, and the other one is passing straight through the principal axis. And because of the intersection of those two rays, there is an image that has been formed, which is an inverted one over here, that is also at 2f. So whenever there's an object at 2f, the image is also formed at 2f, and the size of the image is same as that of the size of the object. Now in our experiments, we'll be increasing it. So this will be, your object needle will be at 0, and then we'll be shifting our lens, say 2f, then after that again 10, then 2f plus 10, 2f plus 20, and so on. So we'll be increasing u. So u will keep on increasing, and we notice that the v is decreasing. Now with the ray diagram, we'll try to understand this. Okay. So right now it is at 2f, image is also forming at 2f. Now we'll move the object away. Okay, it's the same thing as increasing the distance between this. So once we'll bring it over here. Okay, so this distance will increase. Alright, so this distance should decrease. So let's see. So now we have placed the object over here. Now we'll draw the rays. So the first ray would go exactly, so the object, the height is same. So the first ray will travel, okay, parallel to the ray that was before, and it will pass through focus. Okay, it will pass through focus and will go. The ray that is passing through the principal axis. Now since the distance has increased, okay, there would be an angle that would be formed. So when I draw a straight line from here, this purple line, it passes through the center and it intersects the line that is passing from the focus over here. Hence the image that will be formed would be over here. Okay, now you see the size of the image has reduced because the distance u has increased. And why? Because of this line is intersecting now over here. Okay, so when you increase u, this distance has decreased, so v has decreased. So earlier v was over here, now v is over here, so v has decreased and the u has increased. Okay, let's take one more example. So again, when we further increase it, it further reduces. Okay, the size of the image starts diminishing. Okay, it becomes smaller and smaller. All right, and the distance is starting reducing. Okay, now in our experiment, the distance will never reach focus, because at focus we won't find the image, so it will be somewhere around here. So just remember, whenever you're doing the experiment, whenever your u, okay, whenever you're increasing your u, okay, v will decrease. Okay, if it is not happening, in that case just try to find the parallax one more time and confirm it. Okay, all right, and this is just an explanation with a ray diagram. One more thing I wanted to tell you. So why we take u as negative? So anytime whenever the value of u is taken, it is always negative. Okay, and v for this experiment will always be positive. All right, so in our optics, whatever experiment we are doing right now, for that u will be negative and v will be positive. All right, now why? Because the center, okay, we consider it as the center of the lens, okay, is called, okay, that we consider as an origin. So we have this x-axis and y-axis that is passing through the center of the lens, that we'll consider as 0. So just imagine this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So on x-axis, from the origin on the right hand side, we take all the numbers as positive, so 1, 2, 3 and so forth, and on the left hand side we take it as -1, -2, -3 and so forth. Hence whatever the reading we will be calculating for the distance between the object and the lens would be negative. Okay, so this distance, whatever we'll be calculating, we'll write it down as negative, and whatever distance we are finding it out with our image needle, image locating needle, we will write it as positive v. Okay, so that's it, only that much I think that is all pertaining to the concepts. All right, thank you so much. Bye.